What's a better platform, Shopify or WooCommerce? When it comes to choosing an e-commerce platform for your online business, two of the most popular options are Shopify and WooCommerce. Both platforms offer robust features and capabilities, but they differ in their approach, pricing models, and suitability for different types of businesses. In this article, we'll explore the key differences between Shopify and WooCommerce to help you determine which platform might be a better fit for your specific needs. 1. Ease of use. Shopify is renowned for its user-friendly interface and streamlined setup process, making it an excellent choice for those with limited technical expertise or resources. The platform offers a wide range of pre-designed themes and a drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to create a professional-looking online store without the need for extensive coding knowledge. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a plugin for WordPress, a popular content management system, CMS. While WooCommerce offers more flexibility and customization options, it requires a deeper understanding of WordPress and may have a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to website development. 2. Hosting and infrastructure. Shopify is a fully hosted solution, meaning that the platform handles all aspects of hosting, security, and maintenance for you. This can be a significant advantage for businesses that want to focus on their products and marketing efforts without worrying about the technical aspects of running an online store. WooCommerce, being a self-hosted solution, requires you to secure your own web hosting and manage the technical aspects of your online store, including updates, backups, and security. This can be more time-consuming and resource-intensive, but it also provides greater control and flexibility over your store's infrastructure. 3. Pricing and costs. Shopify operates on a subscription-based pricing model, with plans ranging from $24 to $299 per month at the time of recording. These plans include hosting, SSL certificates, and various features and tools. Additionally, Shopify charges transaction fees for certain payment gateways, ranging from 0.5% to 2% of each transaction. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is an open-source plugin that can be downloaded and installed for free. However, you'll need to factor in the costs of web hosting, domain registration, and any premium themes or plugins you may want to use. While the upfront costs may be lower with WooCommerce, the ongoing maintenance and potential development costs can add up over time. 4. Features and customization. Both Shopify and WooCommerce offer a wide range of features and functionalities for running an online store, including product management, order processing, payment gateways, and marketing tools. However, Shopify's features are generally more streamlined and integrated out of the box, while WooCommerce relies heavily on third-party plugins and extensions for additional functionality. When it comes to customization, WooCommerce offers greater flexibility and control over the look and feel of your online store, as well as the ability to modify the underlying code. Shopify, while offering a range of themes and customization options, is more limited in terms of code-level customization. 5. Scalability and growth. Both platforms are designed to scale and grow with your business, but they approach scalability differently. Shopify's hosted solution and robust infrastructure make it well-suited for businesses that anticipate rapid growth and high traffic volumes, as the platform can handle increased demand without the need for additional technical resources. WooCommerce, being self-hosted, may require more hands-on management and optimization as your store grows, including upgrading your hosting plan, optimizing performance, and ensuring security measures are in place. In conclusion, the choice between Shopify and WooCommerce ultimately depends on your specific business needs, technical expertise, budget, and growth plans. Shopify offers a more user-friendly and streamlined experience, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a hassle-free setup and a robust hosted solution. WooCommerce, on the other hand, provides greater flexibility and customization options, but requires more technical expertise and ongoing maintenance. By carefully evaluating your requirements and weighing the pros and cons of each platform, you can make an informed decision that sets your online business up for success.